Alright, game 3, blackwings and firefish wind up.
Oh, I met Pascal yet.
Yeah, I know.
Hey,
Yes, he is.
when someone asks fries, you'd be like, you want chips?
I think you're saying it'll get in your eye.
Definitely do that when they ask you here.
And then chips and
I love somebody that controls the air.
There's a fish patty sandwich, right?
Sounds good.
What's someone ordered that?
Dude, what do you want to do that?
16.5.
I don't like the taste of that. I like the smell.
better.
Fish and chips.
Alright,
I like the smell, but I don't like
every single fucking turn.
Yeah, you lost.
I'm not
Daniel.
Alright, winner.
Little boy.
Let's see here. Flamville. Okay.
Flameville.
What's your first time?
Want to make
Flamville
love to
3.
you?
Hazy Flames. Okay, hazy.
What I do to you?
Summon?
No. Hang on.
Activate 10
I go.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Why are you so smug?
So what duel is this?
Stop that pussy.
Summon? 3.
Really? You lost your second one? Brandon?
What?
You lost the second one?
Second what?
Duel?
Yeah.
Stop means go, and you said pussy shit, so. Or you go.
Chargers.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
No, it's only using one. He's seriously unlocking it.
No.
What if it said, that'd be like the best
Oh, you
card
drew dark
ever,
rounds?
if it said,
Damn.
draw 2 or discard.
You're not stacking, you're cutting.
Or draw 2
You're the one
or
cutting.
discard.
Hey,
send 2.
now the only time you like
on
tap
top
and
of
just
it.
like keep.
So you can draw 2, send 2, or you can send 4.
Activate.
That would be awesome.
Oh shit, that's not.
Then you could,
Dylan is
but it
cheating.
wouldn't be
That's a
because you
wrong
could do
card.
an instant JD. Right.
No, I meant to send this.
You just said it, so you can't activate it.
Shut up.
Or if it was draw and discard
Man,
in
he is a
combination of 4.
They're gonna have this five. You can do this.
Yeah, so it's like 1 and send 3, 2 send 2, draw 3.
Just said it. That'd be broken. Because people would just do the one to draw more or no more.
Yeah.
You're landing in
Set the 10, dude.
Yep.
Automatic voicemail system.
One of my Lila's ruined too.
So you've taken 2,000.
I don't think I have enough for that.
They're not easy to find.
Great job.
$12.
What, am I actually doing pretty good against this deck?
Then I can
I'm secret.
You're
You're
Blackwings.
You're like 10 formats old. Come on.
Let's go.
Not in OCG.
Oh my god, Flamville.
Yeah, the older in OCG.
Zenmains again.
Yeah. Get over it.
I'm
again.
I should like take that
I'll
as
get over it.
I'm dying.
Good.
I open Dark Arm every game.
I'm
Super small.
dying.
Lame.
My future.
Drop. Thank you for showing me up.
You saw what I drew.
You went like
beat down.
went like
Yeah, I do that.
I don't know. It's okay. Good to know.
No. No shit, he got this.
Beast warrior, big beast warrior.
Because this says you
See, that's why fire first. You rely on
Dark hole.
I don't know if you could.
Dark hole. Whatever shall I do about dark hole?
Dice and shine.
He's rising and he's shining.
No, I mean arrows.
That's it? Oh, Leviathan.
Oh yeah, Leviathan. Yeah. Well,
Rest in peace,
so you can't read more.
These are
kneecap.
optional.
So you have 2 dark.
2 darks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I only go
Getting
that.
shitty.
It's okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was so wrong.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I'm kind of.
Probably should.
We'll get it.
Go.
But I kind of keep
Oh,
it.
you put out a new one.
Oh, what, Mega?
The land is better.
No.
And that means you get to turn it into something.
Okay. Gonna take 1,500 damage.
19?
Send. Search.
This is so tense.
That was pretty fun to me.
Yeah, because it's game 3.
That's why I was like,
I called right now. Maybe I tripped it now. I got
Yeah.
and phase.
Sure.
No, I called right now.
He just sends himself.
Well, then since it's just be on the other side, I'll, as much as I actually don't want to.
Yo.
Priority?
This card of water.
Have you seen it?
Priority move.
I did not realize that. Spike. Spike.
Do you not pull internet out of the
He's
internet?
detached already.
Do you not pull internet out of
Yeah,
the
no, I just did.
I attacked it.
I torrential.
Yeah, I attacked. Just detached my line.
Okay. You're pointing with this. I'm like, I torrentialed that. Okay.
Actually, that was my case.
And then in phase.
I guess if I'm actively searching for Wi-Fi, then I can't connect to stuff if there is none. But if I turn it
So
off,
hand
then
or
I
one
can
card.
connect to stuff. I don't know, because sometimes it
One card.
Sounds like 6 days to me.
It's no. Okay, I thought it's like what you make if you made it to summoning conditions.
Although,
I don't know. Sure. Blue flame.
sure.
I actually like Spike like now.
Solomon.
Yeah. Can I have a bite of your...
I still really bad
Some of the videos.
What's the time on that?
That's dead. 6:30.
Indicated by kind of
Yeah.
summon event dog.
I shut that game like 5 minutes ago.
I know.
What? So what? You have anything camping it?
Huh? I just took the jump.
So you're at 4K. Okay, so I'm gonna say fuck it and let's do this.
Was the call the Honda?
So I'm gonna go unwrap, reveal, summon. Overland.
You didn't do it in the right order.
Shut up.
Your turn.
Asticon, attack for 3K. Oh shit, I
Attack for 3K? Okay.
Are you really destroying
Let's play on me.
Destroys all places.
You
must
win
win first by
See, like you, I go too fast. Yeah, good.
I was wondering when that was going to happen.
Start round.
But it's effective.
See, I go too fast like you.
Well, that's
I can't get your habits.
because its effect was negated.
I go too fast with that one.
Oh yeah, by the way.
Vegas came back.
Attack.
Yes, that's so you right.
You should take your 2,000.
No,
He actually missed it.
I don't care.
Yeah,
I'm not taking
on the
it.
field when it's effective engaged, then
So,
destroy.
I don't need it.
I just didn't want Stardust sitting there.
So you're like, no.
Well, that's game 3 with a horrible misplay.